Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the paint type because removal methods differ. Water-based paints clean much easier than oil-based. Once done, flip the jeans inside out to check stain penetration and to protect the outer weave. You isolate the area and place a towel underneath to absorb dissolved pigment. You prepare supplies now. Rubbing alcohol for acrylics, acetone for stubborn oil paints, dish soap to lift residues, a soft brush for agitation, and clean cotton cloths for blotting. You always test your chosen solvent on an inconspicuous, seam to ensure the dye won't run. This prevents surprises. Next, apply a small amount of solvent to a cotton pad and start blotting at the stain's edge, moving inward so you avoid spreading pigment. Use short, controlled strokes with the soft brush to loosen paint particles. You'll see color lift onto the cloth. Make sure to replace soiled cloths often and repeat cycles until transfer slows noticeably. You finish by rinsing the treated area under cold running water to flush out solvent and lifted pigment. Cold prevents satin stains. Once rinsed, treat with diluted dish soap or a commercial pre-wash to remove any remaining film, then launder on a cold, gentle cycle. If you still see residue after drying, do not apply heat. Heat sets stains. Instead, repeat the solvent test and treatment. One key troubleshooting tip: if color from the jeans transfers, stop.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.